I'm down on the beach on this lovely moonlit night, taking a few photographs with my lovely Canon 400D, bit of sky photography there. I thought, since I had my thermal camera, I might as well take the chance to debunk a few flat earth myths. Right now we have a lovely 3/4 moon up there. Can't really see it, but I'll give you a few pictures taken on my camera, and it's casting a lovely shadow on the beach, which I will also show via the camera because you can't really see it on this. It's a nice long exposure. Now, flat earthers claim that the moon is self-luminescent because its light cools down what it lands on. Not only is this not true, it's also a physical impossibility. I thought the easiest way to prove it's not true would be to cast a shadow on the sand, like I have by this piece of polystyrene just here, because it's a insulator. It seems to not emit very much thermal radiation, which is why it comes out very dark at certain angles. It's just a sheet of polystyrene, and it is casting a shadow in this direction, behind it, in this area here. As you can no doubt see, there is no visible difference between the sand out here and the sand inside the shadow. We've got lovely 3.7 degrees in here, 3.6, and a lovely 3.7, 3.6 degrees out here. This can show visually a difference of 0.1 degrees. No, wait a second, 0.01 degrees. Possibly 0.05, I'll check that anyway. But it should, by the accuracy deemed here, it should be colder outside the shadow than inside. Shadow extends out to about there. Yeah, that's about it. Because the moon's still quite low in the sky up there. But would you look at that? No temperature difference between the shadow, which should be warmer, and the rest of the sand. Should be a nice box of warm sand, according to the flat earthers. Just about there. But no. Anyways, I'll have some lovely pictures taken on my Canon 400D, sitting on its mount, just on its tripod just here. And in case you're wondering what the hotspot over here was, it was my rucksack full of all my camera equipment. Nice and warm inside because it's come from a nice warm indoor environment. So yeah. No warm shadow on the ground behind a shadow casting object. Guess Flat Earthers is wrong once again. And just to remind you, the moon is up there. It is casting a shadow in that area there. But there is no visible difference in temperature.